People kept asking me the same question: can your vases be lamps? At first they were only designed as vases, but I thought why not to create a simple lamp base to turn any vase into a lamp, and that's what this video will be about. So I designed a new part and printed a prototype. It works with bamboo lap LED kit and fits perfectly inside the vase. A few clicks later, the vase becomes a lamp. What do you think, vase first or lamp first? So yeah, that's basically it, all I wanted to share with you. And as I do have tons of vase design, I now do have tons of lamps design with this simple attachment, simple lamp based part. All the links to this part will be in the description of this video, and hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.